Welcome to EverEver. Today we're making star bunting. Make sure you're subscribed for more magical crafts and tutorials. To make my star garland, all I really need is I need a watercolour painting, a pencil, I'm using some upholstery thread, and a needle and some scissors. Now we don't want to draw on this side, so we're going to flip it over and start drawing stars. I want them close together, so I use up as much of my paper as I can. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the whole page. Okay, now we're going to cut these out. So I'm going to make a line of my stars here so I can work out how much thread approximately I'm going to need. So I'm going to add about this much to begin with, and then let's just do this. And maybe a little extra, just for good luck. In through one side and out through this side. Add a little knot. And get a double knot. And let's keep going. Ouch. Out through the other side. Now that I have all of the stars on the string and I'm happy with the placement, I'm going to come with some PVA glue and a paintbrush and very gently just add a little bit of PVA to the back to try to push the section of string so it sits down onto the star. This will help it from moving along. So now all of the stars are glued in, I'm going to add a little loop at the top. Now that the glue has all dried, I'm going to hang it up. If you love this project, support EverEver by subscribing for more magical creations.